All right, my people, and welcome back onto this channel. Well, no be small something, still on the matter. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting to be. Exactly waiting the people them they talk about. My brother, my sister, this one another serious one. Where be say they reach us now onto this level. Fulani now they don't scatter everywhere as we they talk. So the president of Nigeria now they in big mess. These people now waiting they come they talk now be say then they regret say this man the Yoruba man Tinubu he did there as a president. Now all of them don't come outside they say then they regret to say Tinubu must go. My brother my sister, this one no be small something. If una remember well una go remember say that time wey be say Tinubu in the contest to become the president. That time the man they sick anyhow he dey sick anyhow so now in the Fulani people can't reason am they can't say okay this one will be say this man they sick so make we put our man to shock am so that if in pipe according to wetin the Fulani their secret don't expose him. Wetin make them support the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu that time be say dem think say the man as he dey sick the man go quick kpai and if he kpai their own person they will just take over. You see that man wey dey there as vice president, that man na pretender. Either una like am or not we go talk the truth to that man na pretender. Dem know wetin dem put for there. The koko be say dem been dey think say if that man President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that time wey they sick, wey they go say he pissy for body, where they go say this one he no go last. All of them they can't think say the man they sick true. Now we be say the man don't dey there. Then the man can make sure say he can't display that time like say in sick. They no say the man are pretending, they pretend because the man sabi politics ain't no waiting those people they do. That is why I go say the man Bola Ahmed Tinubu he go just a smile. Ain't no say he must get there. That is why he talk and that and say Gbekene yewa emi loko. My brother, my sister, with waiting the sup now, no be small something. Now the Fulani people come say, oh, say this man so now pretend they pretend the sense. So now pretend this man they pretend the sense. Now all of them they don't tire. All of them now come they para say, hey, which kind thing be this? Which kind package be this? So we think say this man they really they sick true. So this man been they pretend and then I make them carry their own man put them believe say if the man they there you no go last. Yes maybe 5 months or 6 months in go just buy. Now I made them put to their man Shettima. But now they can't say the man can't they strong every day. This one they can't lose. This man what did they happen? They think say he go don't get stroke. My brother, my sister, now they don't come outside say lie. No be waiting we think be this so. We'll be waiting we think be this so. Say we don't know say now like this man be lie. He no go fit to continue. Lie. We no go agree. In fact, they can't they talk say make this man come out on earth then go push him come out by fire by force. Say now they can't they lie say the man no they do waiting they want. Oga ask me. Make I tell on now. Make everybody ask that question. Say waiting be that thing. We be say the president no do well. We be say they no want because them believe say if to say now their own person they there then for down they bumble everywhere then for down they buy people more than waiting than they do now. Baba God now your hand with day. Now the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu as we they talk now himself he no easy for him again he don't tire and then we talk this thing we talk and say Baba make you leave this thing forget these people make we go our separate ways. Now waiting with the talk make it come become president for Yoruba nation but the man no agree. Now the man don't dey now the man don't dey regret waiting they sup waiting in don't do so far. My brother my sister no be small something now the man don't dey regret say which kind thing be this hey which kind wahala be this but he no go fit come outside they can't talk. Yeah so that is why when the one this Fulani person talk say the wife of the president say why she go be Christian, say in fact she be infidel, say in fact according to wetin dem dey talk that time, say why this woman go be Christian, say in fact say this kind person dem suppose kpai am. My brother, my sister, who does that? You dare say that when before president dey there, say you go kpai im wife? May you know say dem go use your head, dem go use am drink garri. But now dem talk am for where our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey, but he no do anything, he no talk anything. My brother, my sister, wetin dey sup? He no talk anything o. And then as e be so, everybody come dey look say, hey, this one wey be say dem talk this kind thing to president, say dem wan kpai im wife, say why im wife go be Christian, say suppose to be Muslim. The president no talk anything, and people come dey say, hey, water don pass garri. That is to tell you say the president many things wey be say dey go wrong, wey be say this Fulani people dem dey do am, him no wan talk, him no go fit talk. Wetin dey sup gangan, wetin dey happen gangan. Now all the Yoruba nation agitators don para say, baba, we don tell you this one o, ẹni àwí fún ọba jẹ́ ó gbọ́, ẹni àwí fún ọba jẹ́ ó gbà. Baba, we don tell you, Yoruba nation na im be the only way, because all these people dem no even dey happy. They don come outside, this one no be news again, they don come outside say come 2027, say dem must comot the baba for there. You can imagine, you wan comot incumbent president, you dey talk am to him face. My brother, my sister, who can save for this country? If they say Fulani people fit come outside, they talk am to the face of the president, say we must comot you, then who can save? They don finally confirm that Tinubu is not sick. As they don confirm say this man no sick, he say so all this why they pretend, and then they get their plan. Then be the thing say, oh, since this man sick, after years 6 months he go kpai, then Shettima go come become president. Now their plan be that, but God will pass the devil. Tinubu now is in a big mess as he dey, so we're in the big mess with this Fulani, because as he dey like this, many things wey in hide they see, he no go fit come outside come talk am. Now it's in a big mess with all those Fulani people. Something wey be say dem do for Jonathan that year. When I remember now, when Jonathan be presido, we see they come dey kpai people up and down, wey people come dey look say, hey, this man no capable. Make everybody come dey think say make them vote the man out. Now make them put to their own. Then put their own finish. The kpai come worse. We be say they come dey kpai anybody anyhow. Their own self. We be Buhari go come still dey support them. Say make them no worry. Make una leave them. Then go repent. You can imagine who does that. That time Buhari using 8 years finish. This Fulani people no come outside. They can't talk say make them comot Buhari. They enjoy the whole thing. Now Yoruba man don dey there. They can't say the Yoruba man no they do waiting they want. Now they don't come outside say make this man make it come out. My brother, my sister, many things they sup, no be small something, no still on the matter. Yoruba nation no going back. Now so it go be now. Another thing wey be say e come dey happen now for inside the Osun State University. That one na another strong one. This one strong well. You can imagine for broad daylight, make it Fulani they carry their cow, they enter inside that school, inside the university, they carry their cow, they waka. University management, you talk tire. These people say for where we no go hear word, because this Nigeria na our fatherland. So anything we na want do na dey on our own. And the governor of Osun State in there, he no go fit order say make them buy all of them. Baba, my brother, my sister, shebi you don see say for this country now where we dey, na only God na him go help us. You can imagine wetin be say e dey sup for inside the obodo Nigeria where we dey. That is why we don shout am many times, Baba, hey, make you let us go, free Yoruba, make Yoruba people go. The way we be say dem dey kpai people sef for this country don too much. The way we say people they kpai up and down, it done too much. My brother, my sister, he get a video where we say then send me now. Where we say Fulani people, then in fact, the way they do woman being. My brother, my sister, no be something where we say, I mean itself, I go feel watch them. My brother, my sister, you no go fit watch this video. It's a pity I cannot post this video. My brother, my sister, many things done about human being. Now in them do like this. Woman being now in dress Fulani people do like this. So they then go express stop people. If they say you be Yoruba man or you be Igbo man, they go drag you come down. Then go start it to they cut your neck. They oh my brother, my sister. No Nigeria again. Nigeria it don't go. Aye, Nigeria don't go. My brother, my sister, Yoruba nation. Now him we want Yoruba nation. No going back. All the Yoruba elders were on a day. Make everybody wake up. Ẹ jí ẹ má sùn ẹ jáde síta ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kí ló dé èlò ló ń fún yín pínọ̀tì ẹ̀ ṣáàdẹ̀ ń rí gbà ó ti wọ̀ yín lẹ́jẹ̀ ẹ jáde síta ẹ pariwo síta ẹ support Yorùbá nation bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ àwọn alálẹ̀ ò ní jẹ́ gbádùn. Alright my brother my sister na the thing wey be say e dey happen now be that o make all the elders for Yoruba land make them wake up because this kpai e don too much. How the country itself want it better because the blood of the innocent people wey be say dem don shed for ground no go ever make that country better, and anybody wey see that country na so e go just dey be add process add situation every day. The best be say make everybody just leave that country for them because they don pollute am. Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly wetin e be, exactly wetin the people dem dey talk about. Until I come your way next time, my brother, my sister, if this one na your first time wey be say you dey join us onto this channel, abeg make you help us share, make you like it, make you for dey go viral as e dey hot, no let am cold. Bó ṣe ń gbóná yẹn ẹ má ṣe jẹ́ kó tutù. Until I meet you next time, my brother, my sister, I say una bye for now.